Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add products in cart on Doordash. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add products in cart on Doordash. Maybe you're going to add a lot of products, so you want to add every product one by one into cart and you want to check out at once. Or maybe you want to save some of the products so that you could purchase them later, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave you the instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a DoorDash app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app get installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the DoorDash app to open it. It will just take a while to load, and once the loading gets done, you will be easily able to see its interface and how the app looks. So here the app has been loaded fully. You could see how the app looks. We have some of the food categories at the top of the screen, and at the middle of the screen we have a lot of food products that you could order, and at the bottom of the screen we have different options. Now, if you want to order something, first you have to add that product into your cart, and whenever you want to order them, you can get them. So, if you want to add anything, first you have to make an order. So, for order, you could either go to the search and search for the thing that you're looking for by typing its name. So, here I have selected coffee, and then I will find all the products and other coffee items, and from the result I will choose any one of these, whichever is the most appealing one. The shop will open and there I will go through all the categories, and whatever I find the most interesting one or what I am looking for, I'll just tap onto that product by tapping on this plus icon which is on the image of that product. Once you tap onto that plus icon, it will ask you further options like what you want in that food, like which milk, and different options related to that product. If it has different variations, sizes and different things, so it will ask what you exactly need. After that, you have to click on save options and add to order. Once you add to order, it will be added into your cart, and later on you can check out, or maybe you can later on see how it looks in the cart. So here at the bottom it is saying that it has been added into your cart. Otherwise, you can also click onto that cart option and your cart will open, and there you could see how the product looked. So this is the product that we added, and you can see it is now showing into cart. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add products in cart on DoorDash. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.